Hello guys, it's Tiny here, and today we will be looking at a new paper, which is 11 plus and 13 plus, but not the simple ones. So it's the Latimer paper, it's the Latimer sample paper. So basically let me introduce you to my website. It's called Tiny Tangs, so you can get it by using tinytangs.com. Yes, and that's my website. You can log in. I'm just going to sign in with Google, and let's see. I'll choose that account, Tiny Tangs. Enter your password. Next. So basically, then we get it. Then we just need to wait until we get in. And yeah, that's basically my account. And after logging in or signing up, these are the buttons that can redirect you, and this is how to use. And basically, this is just the stuff. And papers, junior kangaroos, that's my videos, and by clicking these arrows you get new videos. And there's a download notes button here where you can download my notes. Intermediate math challenges, the same stuff, you get download notes as well, you get download notes. And wait, am I missing one? No. And then papers, then junior math challenges 11 and 13 plus, which will be where this video is in, so there will be something over somewhere here. But anyways, and yeah, this is basically my website. And for the 11 and 13 plus, currently you can also download the papers, which might be helpful. And yes, so let's get back into the paper. And so section A, we'll be doing section A. So what is 148 plus 476? It's basically just addition. So 148 plus 476. That becomes 14, 11, 12, 5, 6, 64, which is D, which is our answer. And I find these option answers really quite simple, because I think they're easier, because you literally just get because for some questions you can literally just test the answers just to see if they are correct or not, and you can also easily guess what the answer is, because if there are options. And yeah, so 2-something-8-2-9-9. So from this column we can know that there's a 1 here. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. So that must be 7 over here. So 7 plus 9, 16, 17, 2. So that perfectly fits. So our answer is E. I'll just write my answers in this box because it might be clearer. 45 times 160. So the way I do these questions with a lot of zeros is I do 45 times 16, which equals to 30. 4 times 2, 20, 24, 27, 1 then 5, and then 4. So therefore that's 720. And don't forget to add another 0. So therefore we get 7200, which is C. For question 4, work out 3/7 of 91. As you might know, a seventh of 91 is so 91 divided by 7 So that equals to 13, because 91 is just 21 times by a lot of stuff, by some stuff. So yeah, and so that would be 13. So E, 3/7, so 39. Sorry, I almost fell for that trick. 39. So our answer is B. 423 divided by 9. It's the same stuff. So you could do this way, but I'm actually going to teach you how to multiply it without writing anything. So basically, for this type of multiplication, you'll basically just take 4. And you know that 4 isn't enough to divide by 9. So you take 42 divided by 9, which equals to 3 lines, 4. 3 times 9 equals to 27. No, 4, sorry. 4 times 9 equals to 36. So, and there's remainder 6. So therefore you take the remainder, which is 6. So you take 63 divided by 9, which equals to 7. So our answer is 47, which is B. For question 6, what number is halfway between 4 and a half and 7 and a half? So you convert them into decimals and 7.5. I just find it easier to visualize it this way. I don't know about your preferences. But anyways, so the middle of 4.5 and 7.5, because the difference is 7, is 3, sorry. So there must be 1.5. So 1.5 makes it 6. So the answer is 6, which is D. For question 7, work out 1 plus 2 times 3 plus 4 plus times 5 plus 6. So 6, 20. So 1 plus 6 plus 20 plus 6 equals to 21, 27, 33. No, 7, 27, 33. Yes, that's correct. And just try not to do it in the wrong order. Do the calculations in the wrong order. 3/4 of a number is 36 less than the number. What's the number? So let's think of this. So basically 3/4 of a number is 36 less than the number. So that means 3/4 of a number is 36 less than the number. So that means a quarter equals to 36. Because it says 3/4 of a number is 36 and less than the number. So 36 is, so that means 36 is 1/4. So therefore 36, that would be, so 3/4 would, what's the number? So 36 times 4, because a quarter is obviously 1/4. So times 4 equals to 12 and 4, which is our answer. And the answer is A for this question, for question 8. Which of the following is largest? So let's start doing these sums. So 13 times 14, that's 12, 4, 5, 3, 1, 182. So that's currently our largest, well, obviously. But 12 times 15, I have a feeling that will be smaller. 10, 6, 2, 1, 180. Yes, it is smaller. Currently, A is the largest. 11 times 16, 176. Because for things like 23 times 11 or anything times 11, you just pot the 2 and 3 and put the number, that's the sum, in the middle. So 9 times 18 is, so 8 times 9 equals 72, so 72. 1 times 9 equals 9, so you plus the 7, so 162. So therefore A is our answer because it is the largest. Find the sum of all prime numbers between 30 and 50. So the prime numbers are 31, 33, no, 35, no, 37, 39, no, 41, 41 is a prime number, 43, and then you'll have 49, which is, 49 is 7 times 7, sorry. So 43, then 45 isn't, 47, wait, let's see. 47 is one, and 49 isn't. So those are all the numbers. So we just have to add them up. So it's 68 right now, 109, 152, and then 199. So our answer is D, which is 199. For question 10. What time is 1 hour 30 minutes for 7:19 p.m.? Decrease the 32 minute. Decrease the 1 hour first, so we get 6:19, and then we need to minus 32. So 32 minus 19 equals to 13. So 13, and so therefore you take 6 hours minus 13, which equals to 547. 547. Oh yeah, see? It's our answer for question 11. What fraction of this rectangle is shaded? So it says 10 boxes, 10 squares, sorry, I just like to call them boxes. But you can fit this bit into that bit, so that bit's shaded, and so that's, let's take away that, so to 1/2, because it has because it has 5 and 10, so it's 1/2. So the answer to this question is D. And for question 14, wait, I buy that. I buy all this stuff for 65 pence each, and 5 bags of crisps for 55 pence each. How much do I get it from a £5 note? 3 chocolate bars for 65 pence each, and 5. So that would be 3 chocolate bars for 65 pence, and 5 bags of crisps for 55 pence each. So 65 times 3, and 55 times 5. So you add them up together. So this thing would be 18195. 195 plus 25 275, which equals to 3470. So that's 470p, which is £4.70. So therefore that would be 500 minus 470. 8. I might have done something. 500 minus 470, which equals to 30 pence. So A is our answer, 30 pence. 2 whole numbers multiplied together to make 180. What is the smallest difference between the 2 numbers? So it's looking for the factors. So that's the factors are basically the factors. So if we want the factors, it will be to make 180. What is this? So 180, 290, 360, and so therefore, and because, and there's a 12, and you can keep doing this, but 180 is 60, which is 12 times 5. And because that's 60 times 3, so you can times 5 by 3, so that becomes 14 and 12. And you can test that out if it works, but the smallest difference is A, so it's 3. Work out 80% of 535, so you do 535 times 0.8. So 535 times 8 equals to 40. 3 times 8 equals to 24, 28. 5 times 8 equals to 40, so 40, wait. 5 times 8 equals to 40, so... Oh, wait, I messed up. 4. It's 24, 28, 40... Oh, yeah, I didn't. So that's 4280. So you take away the 0 because there's a decimal point. So 48 pounds. So the answer is E for question 15. For question 16, toy cars cost 84p each for 2.2 for a box of 3. What's the largest number of cars I can buy with 18 pounds? So let's first calculate which one is actually better. Because for 84 pence times 3 equals to, so 12, so 24.25. So the box of 3 is actually better. So therefore we will try to get as much boxes of 3 as possible. So £2, so we can times it by 6, which equals to 12, 13 pounds 20. So therefore that would be, oh, you could, no, you can't add in, right, yeah, and so you'll try to add as much 84 pence stuff in there as possible. So therefore you know there's already 6 times 3, which equals to 18. So 84 times 2 equals to 168 pence. So £1, 14 pounds 88. Yeah, so 18 plus 2 equals to 20, which equals to D. I have lots of 5p, 8p and 11p stamps. What's the biggest amount I cannot make exactly with my stamps? I don't really get what this question is trying to ask, but basically what it's doing is, I don't really know what this is asking, so I'm just going to like, because if you think of it, what's the biggest amount I cannot make exactly with my stamps? I actually think there's a possibility that you can't, that there's like unlimited, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test these out. 5p, 8p and 11p stamps. 7p can't be made. That kind of works, but let's check for more. 49. So obviously 45 plus 5, that works. And also, sorry, that was my brother. And also, 19p is 11 and 8. 38p 33 5. 17p 11 5 8 and 7. No, that is the highest. So our answer is E for this question. So that's why I like option questions, because it's obviously easier to work them out, because some questions you just might not understand them, and it's quite likely that it won't work. So what is the idea of the shaded triangle below? And diagram not to scale. So 8.26 So 6 and 8.2, the area. So that's going to be. Oh, sorry, I was having a mind blank for a second. 6 times 8.2 divided by 2 equals to 3 times 8.2, which equals to 24.6 cm squared. So D is our answer. How many different ways are there? How many different ways are there of paying exactly 20p using 1p and 2p coins? So you could obviously try this out. So you do 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. No. Sorry. So there are a couple of options. So what you could do is you could use all ones. So all ones, one option. So you could gradually convert ones into twos. So 2, then 1 1 1 1 1, and yeah. So you get it. So there's 1, and for 4 and then 3 ones. 4 and then 3 ones. No, 4 and then a ton of ones is still 1, and then 6 2, and then 4 and then 6, all made by 2, and then a ton of ones. So that's 1. 8 twos, a ton of ones, 1. 10 twos. No, the twos make 5 twos. So that makes 10p from the twos. A ton of ones, 10, so 10, 12, 1, so 14, 1, 14, 16, 18, and then 20, so all made by twos. So there's a total of 8 plus 3 equals 11, so B is our answer. For our last question, yeah, it is our last question. A woman's age is 70 years, 70 months, 70 weeks, and 70 days. Oh gosh. So how old will she be next birthday? So there's 70 years and 70 days. Let's divide that. So let's divide that into. Let's make that into weeks. So a week is obviously 70, and 7. No, obviously not. So 7. So there would be 10 weeks. So 80 weeks. So there would be 80 weeks in total and 70 months. So I then convert the weeks into days. 80 times 7 equals to 560. And it'll become 560. So So 560 divided by... Let's just take 30, because there's a 28 and you know, there's a 28 and just 31, so I don't really know what to do, because it's kind of gonna... Oh, I don't know what to count it as, 31 or 30. And basically, so let's divide that by 30. So 126 4 5 50 no 26 6 7 9 8 remaining. So that's going to be oh gosh, 18 times 3 equals 54, doesn't it? So therefore that would be 20 and so remaining 20. Okay, good. So 20 weeks and 18 months. So there would be 88 months now. So we convert that into years, and how many years are there in how many months are there in a year? So there's 12. So 9 is 9. So 9, 12 times 9. No, I keep doing that. 12. That's 7. So 7, 84. So 84. So 77 years. Remaining 4. So 4 months and 20 weeks. So next birthday is 78. So I guess it doesn't really matter what you count as a month, because it's going to be 78 anyways. So yeah, that's our answer for question 20. So the answer is C, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you.